Welcome to another complete guide into Preno's newest dynamic pricing tools. I'm Scotty, your Preno Mentor, and today we're focusing on Preno's Last Minute Pricing tool. In an industry where every unsold room is a missed opportunity, last minute pricing is a great way to find that balance between reduced rates and increased occupancy. Let's dive into how this tool can transform vacancies into victories for your business. Unlike traditional discounting strategies, last minute pricing is a calculated approach. It responds to real-time data, adjusting prices based on how many rooms are left and how close you are to the check-in date. The aim is to entice without undercutting, maintaining that delicate balance between competitive pricing and optimum revenue. Let's walk through the process together so you can confidently set up your last minute pricing in Preno. First, make sure you're logged into your Preno account. Head over to the Rates tab. Here you'll see a big green button called Go to Dynamic Pricing. Go ahead and click that. Now, have a look at this panel of dynamic pricing results. It's designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your dynamic pricing's performance. Look at the additional revenue that's been generated, the average increase in booking rates, the number of bookings made at these optimized rates, and the total adjustments made, all consolidated for the last 30 days. Understanding this dashboard is key as it directly reflects your increased revenue and the effectiveness of your dynamic pricing rules. Now, with these results in mind, we're ready to step into the practical side of things. Let's set up your dynamic pricing rules together. Okay, select Create Rule on the top right. On this page, start by choosing the room types that this rule will apply to. For instance, select your studio or one bedroom by ticking the boxes next to each. Scroll down to the Set the Triggers section. Preno's last minute pricing tool automatically checks the triggers and makes adjustments at the start of each day. For example, let's set a trigger for when there's at least one room remaining 2 days from today. Here, we'd reduce the daily rate by, say, 10. Below there's a visual guide with a suggested recipe for setting up these triggers. It's a helpful example showing how the rate is adjusted at the start of each day. Preno recommends starting with smaller reductions and increasing them as you get closer to the check-in date. Next, set the lowest rate. This is your floor price that you're comfortable with, ensuring rates never drop too low, no matter how close the booking is. Finally, name your rule at the bottom of the page. Choose something clear and descriptive like Studio Last Minute Discount. Review your settings. Once everything looks good, click Review Rule, and if it's all correct, go ahead and activate it. Your last minute pricing rule is now set to automatically adjust your room rates, helping to maximize occupancy and revenue. And just like that, you've crafted a smart last minute pricing strategy. With this setup, Preno will continuously work to ensure your hotel is always offering the right price at the right time. You might wonder, when does the system check these rules? Well, it's daily at 2 AM, ensuring your prices are ready for the day ahead. Okay, you're all set. If you have any questions or need a bit more guidance on setting up your rules, Preno's live chat is always available to use directly in the Preno grid. Our customer support team is always available, prepared to clear up any uncertainties you might have. We encourage you to make the most of this resource whenever you need it, as excellent customer support is part of the Preno experience. Our reviews are a testament to that. For newcomers to Preno who stumbled upon this video and are keen to explore what our software can do for your property, we invite you to take advantage of our 7-day free trial. Visit our website to sign up. It's simple and commitment-free with no need for any credit card details. This trial is your chance to see firsthand if Preno is the right fit for your business. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If staying up to date on Preno's updates and learning how to optimize your account sounds good to you, please share your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Keep an eye out for more upcoming videos which are made to equip you with further tips and tricks for utilizing Preno to its full potential. Until next time.